everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking on how to grow your hair. So, how to grow your hair? A lot of women don't know what and what not to do to their hair. When you are growing your hair, there are some things you should avoid doing to your hair. 1. Using straightener. Then the number 2, using high heat. High heat for your hair is wrong. Like what I mean by high heat? High heat like dryer, straightener is wrong, totally wrong for your hair. Then that's number 2. And the number 3, always making and losing your hair in a short while is wrong. And the number 4 is retouching your hair in short while, like you retouch your hair not up to 2 months, you are retouching again just because you see undergrowth from your hair and you think the next thing to do is to retouch it, and as soon as you retouch it, it's going to, come like looking like my hair. No, it's wrong. And what was my number 5? My number 5 is letting different hands to make your hair for you. Like today you use Amaka, tomorrow you are using Beatrice, and next tomorrow you are using Mary, and before you know it you are changing to Stella. Is wrong. Stick to one person or 2 if possible. Just know the hands that are touching your hair. If they are up to 3 people and you know their hands, is very good. Using different hands when you don't know the work, how their hand will look on your hair, is totally wrong. So why did I say using straightener is wrong for your hair? You think once you use straightener because of the undergrowth on your hair, the next thing is the hair is just going to look straight and oh wow, beautiful. Yeah, it's going to look beautiful, but you are damaging your natural hair. Is totally out of it. Then the number 2, what did I say number 2 is? Using high heat. The high heat like hand dryer, oh wow, let me just use it. You can use dryer, but not always. Like straightener, not always. You can use straightener also. Like my hair, I didn't use straightener, but it's looking like this. You can see it's looking like this. Not that I use straightener, So the hand dryer, if you want to use hand dryer or dryer, anything heat, please use low heat for your hair. Low heat will not damage your hair. It's when you use high heat, always, like IMA, always, is wrong. Is wrong for your hair. You are spoiling the growth of your hair. So that's number 2. And what is the number 3? What I said in number 3, making and losing your hair like in a short while. Okay, let's say you just make this hair. Oh yeah, it's beautiful, it's nice, I love the hair you just made, it looks wow. Yes, carry it for some time, if possible for 1 good month or 2. Just carry the hair. Forget what people will say. Ah, the hair is looking old. Even sometimes you can look at the hair and you say, ah, the hair is dirty, the hair is looking old, and you want to lose it, you want to make new style. Yeah, it's wrong. If you can carry your hair for like 1 month stroke 2 months, it might not get to the 2 months exactly, but at least. Why is it so? That's because the hair you just make now, as they are making your hair, some hair are pulling, some hair they are leaving your skull. You know, as let me say I'm making your hair, as I'm doing this hair now, some are leaving your skull, some are your hair is reducing then. So what will you do to grow back those hair? Simple. Just carry the hair for like 1 month or 2 or almost 2, and then the hair that pulls off will regrow back. That's all. And then retouching your hair. Retouching your hair. I don't know if I've talked about retouching your hair already, but retouching your hair always is not too good. Try to carry your hair for some time. Even if there is undergrowth, there are lots of creams that you can use for your hair. A lot of good creams that you can use on your hair, and it will help your hair go soft. It will soften your hair. And if anybody that wants to make your hair, if your stylist want to make your hair, once they use that cream that will soften your hair, they can do it. Forget about the undergrowth. I think I have one or 2 hair creams that you can use for your hair. Shea butter, leave-in conditioner, and try it. Once you use it for your hair, it's going to make your hair look wow. It's going to make your hair look like you just retouched it. Yeah, I've retouched my hair. That's because I've carried my hair for 1 good year, if not more than 1 year. I've been using this cattle oil, and it's very good. Very good. I recommend it for you. Try it and you will thank me later. Things like this grow your hair also. Yeah, they grow your hair. Try them. And then there is something I made, something that a lovely friend of mine recommended for me. I made it and I've been using it for more than 1 year to 2 years now, and I really thank her because she introduced me to something that I can use for my hair, and my hair now is like never before. So those are the things that you can do to your hair, and things you don't have to do to your hair. And secondly, there are some hairstyles that you don't have to do, like hairstyles that will destroy your hair. I want to make Ghana weaving, you know. Make Ghana weaving. I know what Ghana weaving means. Like, your front hair are going to pull, and the next thing you're going to do after your front hair just pulled, after you lose this Ghana weaving, you are remaking another Ghana weaving. I didn't say it's not good. I'm a stylist. I make Ghana weaving for people, but I will recommend you to make Ghana weavings protective styles that will not destroy or remove the front hair that you are managing to grow. And then try to make protective hairstyles that will grow your hair, styles that will not destroy or damage your hair. Try to make such styles. If your hair is already damaged, why doing hairs that will damage more, that will remove more hair, and you are trying to grow your hair back? It is wrong. Try to make hairstyles that will grow back the hair that you already lost. Try to, look for styles. Let's say, yes, you don't know style to do. check online. You get styles. Look at the styles that you are looking at, that you are checking on online. Look at the style. If the hair starts from the front and you know that this front hair you are trying to, you know, grow them back, don't do such styles. Do styles that when you make the hair, they are not going to pick them from the front. And most times, again, don't always keep your natural hair down. Like this one, I lose my hair. I removed the hair I made before 3 days ago, right? Let's say 3 days ago, and yesterday I retouched my hair. I retouched my hair because for a year now, or more than a year, I have not retouched it. And now that I've retouched my hair, when you see my hair, you are going to love it. I'm not, you know, trying to make you feel jealous, but I love my hair the way it looks. And then, Beatrice, I'm talking, okay? Please, I'm talking. Thank you. So those are the things you should do to your hair and things you should not do. If there's any question that you want to ask, please drop it at the comment section and I will come immediately to reply your question. And please try to do those things that I said you should do to your hair, and things that I said you should not do to your hair. Things I said that they will damage your hair, don't do them to your hair. And the things that I said that they will grow your hair, try them out. Okay, so you might be wondering, and she's talking about hair since, and she haven't shown us how the hair looks like. So here I'll show you the look of my hair. So sometimes, let's say you don't want to make your hair now, try to make it cornrows that at least you can carry it. Cornrows is a protective hairstyle that you don't want to keep your natural hair down, so you can use you can make cornrows to protect your hair, mostly from the weather. Because the weather here, a lot of people complain that German weather, Deutschland weather is not good for our hair, but I'm living in Deutschland here in Munich and my hair is looking like this. So I don't think the weather is the reason for the damages we are having on our hair. So here is my hair. Here is my hair. Here is how my hair looks like. This is my natural hair.